Chapter 3, 0. 0 as an integer, which quantifies a count or an amount of no size, while the modern numeral 0 is normally written as a circle or rounded. In old cell phones with text figures, 0 is usually the same height as a lowercase x. Existence. During the Babylonians had a sophisticated sexagesimal base 60 positional numeral system, the lack of a positional value or 0 was indicated by a space between the sexagesimal numerals. Ancient Greek seem unsure about the status of 0 as a number. They asked themselves, how can nothing be something, leading to philosophical thoughts. Indian scholar Pingala implies the first class by his use of binary numbers is only the modern binary representation using 0 and 1 to Pingala's binary system. History. During 36 BCE, earliest count long dates appear outside the Maya homeland. It is assumed that the use of 0 in the Americas predated the Maya and was possibly the invention of the Olmecs. 130 CE Ptolemy, Hipparchus, and Babylonians was using a symbol of 0, a small circle with a long over bar within a sexagesimal numeral system, otherwise using alphabetical Greek numerals. Roman numerals by 425, first known used by Dionysius Exiguus, but as a word nolla meaning nothing, not a symbol. Usage and importance. Important placeholder digit in our number system. Here's an example of what I mean. Think of the number 103. The 0 in this case stands for there's nothing in the tens column. It's a placeholder helping us understand that this number is 103 and not 13. The Indian mathematician Brahmagupta wrote down what's recognized as the first written description of the arithmetic of 0. When 0 is added to a number or subtracted from a number, the number remains unchanged and a number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. And mathematical function, any graph that plots a mathematical function starting at 0 and 0. Great theorems. Ontological constraint. A feature of 0 important for its role in our thought it is how it interacts with concept of nothingness and non-being. The phenomenological constraint. For 0 in representing nothingness is backed up by its technical use as I remarked earlier in algebraic structure under addition 0 serve as the identity element.